Bless up viewers, subscribers. What's up? How you all doing? Another beautiful day. Another beautiful day to be thankful for. What I want to touch on is a situation between Buju Banton, his daughter, and an associate of the Gargamel himself that it's alleged that he once had a relationship with. Let me just make this point very clear and just put this out there. You see, in life, if you don't want certain situations to be out there on social media, it doesn't make sense you come on social media and then you hang your dirty clothes online. And when things start to escalate beyond what you expect it to be, you're going to start coming and throwing shades at different people. The situation stemmed from Buju Banton coming out and stating that he urged people to stop wearing the mask. Then a little online confrontation developed between the Gargamel daughter and a female companion, alleged companion I should say, of the Gargamel that they said he once had a relationship with at some point in time. And when we look how that situation played out online, it went to the point where words were being thrown at each other, and even at one point the female mother of the Gargamel's daughter caught the whole entire situation as well. So the mother got drawn in the situation which did not call for. And it's just a sad situation to see this big female, she's a top attorney, talking to a little girl, I would say, because she's way older than this individual. And the manner in which the two of them display themselves on social media, trust me, very sad. And it all stems from the Buju mask wearing issue. But now I was watching a video this morning and SoFlo came out and said that he received a privacy violation based on that video which he did. Remember, this was all public information posted online. So someone did not really find favor in what SoFlo did, which to me, SoFlo did not really did anything wrong, because it was public information that was out there for millions to have seen, because it was posted on social media. And I reiterate the fact that if you don't want your dirty clothes hanging on the line, don't come on social media and put information out there. Because once you put information out there, you have to understand that social media reach millions of people in a second. And if you put information out there and then you want to try to cover it up afterwards, it's not going to work. Now, we have seen how this has dampened the spirits of many, and many did not even know that the Gargamel had a relationship with this so-called attorney. And then when we look on this situation and how it has played out on social media, it's very sad to see the two going back and forth from each other. And it's really alarming to see some of the derogatory things that were being said and the to and from between the two as they went at each other online. Now, SoFlo said that he has given him some time to remove the video from his platform, and we're not sure what he's about to do with the video that he did on the whole issue, whether he's going to remove the video from his platform or whether he's going to just edit the video. But as it stands, SoFlo gonna have to just deal with that issue. And I watched SoFlo video, and to me, SoFlo really does spoke the truth in the video, because I didn't see where SoFlo really went and said anything that was wrong in the whole entire situation. SoFlo does express what he saw coming out in the messages that were being sent to and from each other. And it's really sad to see that someone now would try to go after the man work and stating that it's a privacy violation based on the issue that came out of the whole entire thing. And when we look on the issue itself stems from the whole entire proceeding, from a mask wearing to where people mother drawn into the whole thing. But who was better than who? and who perform the best. That's why they end up with the Gargamel. Very sad to see that coming out online. But I just want to say Buju is a very talented artist, well respected right across all diaspora, all four corners of the world. Rate Buju Banton. And Buju, you know Buju not going to really come out and say anything about this. I know Buju style. Buju going to remain silent on the whole matter, because I don't believe that this is a thing that he would want to really address at this point in time either. But we just have to do what we have to do, and based on this, we just know that that is how it's set, and what happened should not have happened in the first place. But what can we say? What is done is done. Well, this is just my little take on the whole entire issue. So, guess what? I'm out for this one. Peace out. Links TV, alright? Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel as always. Alright, you know the deal. Peace.